What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Feast with Pete, and today we are making an aguas frescas with some mango, some peach, and some pineapples. All right, and I got some pink pineapples for y'all too. So stay tuned, watch the video, and let's go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Feast with Pete, and today we're doing aguas frescas. We're gonna twist off that pineapple head right there, and we can use that to plant a pineapple. So we're using 1.5 pineapple, probably 4 to 5 mangoes, and 2 to 3 peaches. And y'all, if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, what y'all doing? Subscribe to my channel and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. So let's get going. You want to take that pineapple, you want to cut all the ends off, and you're going to cut the skin off. And before you even cut the skin off, what you want to do is you want to wash this pineapple. Why? Because we're going to use the skin, we're going to use the middle part, which is the core of the pineapple, to make a pineapple tea. Okay, this pineapple tea is so delicious and so healthy. You can just drink that every day and lose weight. All right, now I know I'm not losing weight right now, but you know what? This is what I should be drinking, without sugar, of course. If you put sugar, it's a different deal. But that's what you're gonna do. That's gonna be the base of aguas frescas. You know, cut this pineapple, and I had half a pink pineapple that I made the pineapple tea out of ahead of time. But I also made another version of a tea that I'm gonna show you right now. So basically, fill up a big pot with water. Put some pineapple skin, put some pineapple core, and you want to put some Sri Lankan cinnamon. That's one that's tightly rolled that you can get in the Mexican store that says canela, the real canela, not the casilla. You want to put that, and you want to put 2 inches of ginger. Take the skin off, you know, it's good for you, and just boil that for like 30 minutes, and let that let that cool down, and then you can just drink that tea as is, or you can use this as a base for this drink. And then peel the mangoes. Now I'm using Filipino style mangoes, okay, because I'm with a Filipina, right? That's my girlfriend, she's a Filipina, and this is very similar to the Sri Lankan mangoes that we have back home called Carta Colomban. Okay, Carta Colomban. All right, so you want to cut about 4 to 5 mangoes. All right, and then these peaches were not as sweet that I would like, but you know, you can still use these. I used 2 to 3 peaches right here. You know, peel them off first, and then you want to also cut them into little pieces and add that. So for demonstration purposes, I'm only doing 1 peach and 1 mango, but y'all know the drill, what you gotta do. You know, you gotta cut 4 to 5 mangoes, 2 to 3 peaches for this agua fresca. Okay, this is gonna be a big pitcher of agua fresca. Now that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is the pink pineapple. Okay, look at how beautiful that looks. Now that pineapple, last year, the year before, during the pandemic, they used $50 for 1 pineapple. Now that's the yellow pineapple right there. Now, for some reason, it came down. It's $10.99 now. So thank God, during this inflation, you can still get that pineapple and make this agua fresca. Actually, you don't even need that pineapple. I just added that for extra color and flavor. You can just do this with regular pineapple also. So you want to blend that pineapple very smooth, and then you're going to start incorporating your other fruits. Now we're gonna start adding the peach and the mango. Look at how beautiful that peach looks, and that beautiful mango that we're gonna use for this agua fresca. So put that mango, put that peach, and blend it up. Now, depending on the size of your blender, you might do this 2 to 3 batches. Now, for my blender, I had to do it twice. So this was the pineapple, the mango, and the peach mixture in the first one. And then I was like, you know what? I don't need to wash this blender. I can just put the rest of the mangoes and that pineapple tea. So right now, I'm putting 2 cups worth of pineapple tea. Now, I'm putting another 8 to 10 cups worth after this in the mixture. So now you want to blend that up, and then you want to pour that into your pitcher. So now you have about I want to say probably around 5 to 6 cups worth of liquid. Now you want to add about 8 to 10 cups worth of pineapple tea, which is why you boil it in a big pot. You know what I'm saying? And then you want to mix all of that up. And now when you're mixing, you're gonna get some fibrous parts, which is good. The more fiber that comes out, the better. You're gonna ladle this onto a glass, because you're not gonna use the tap for this. You're just gonna ladle that, and then right there I'm putting half a cup of sugar and another 1 cup of sugar. So depending on your sweet tooth, you might need more sugar or less sugar. You can of course use sugar-free sweeteners like stevia or Splenda or something like that. Now I'm adding a little bit more water. Probably, I think I added like 4 to 5 cups worth of water in here. And then you want to give that a nice swirl and mix it all up and taste it as you go. So if it doesn't taste according to what you think your agua fresca should taste, of course add more sugar. And then there it is, guys. An agua fresca. It's great for summertime. These hot days nowadays, over 100 degrees. This is the way to cool your body down. Aguas frescas, everybody. Cheers.
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 Like so long as cheers.
How was that?
Really good.
Really good. You guys should try it. And we got a guest in the house already. He's gonna try it also. But make this aguas frescas with pineapple, mango, and peach. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Yep. Go ahead, Uncle Gennaro.
Okay. Taste test.
Taste test. Pineapple, peach, and mango.
All right.
Agua frescas.
Quite tasty. Just like the ones over there in Mexico.
Hey, that's what's up. Thank you.
And I always used to buy them when I used to go over there.
Is that right?
Yeah, they'd come in. They'd have these jars like this.
Just like these?
Yeah. Except for they were bigger. Because,
Right.
they were selling it all day long.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is pretty refreshing right here.
That's good. I'm glad to hear it.
And now I'm going to have to take my insulin shot.
All right, I'm going to show you guys a tip, okay? A little trick. So you take your pineapple, right? And you see that? You basically take these little leaves off, okay? When you do that, you see these little brown parts? This is going to get roots. And you put this in water like this. Make sure it's like, mineral water or like any type of purified water would do. And then just leave it out there like for 30 days. Okay? 30 days. Change the water out every 5 days. Every 5 days, change the water out. If you have that baby water, it's even better. But just regular mineral water will do. But once you do that, this is what you get, okay? Now, when you'll get all of these roots growing out of it, see? Now, this is how it's going to look like. And now you can plant this. I'm going to plant this tomorrow. Plant this and then grow your own pineapple. So that's how you do it. That's just a little extra tip for y'all. Peace with Pete.
Será muy egoísta a ti desearte el mal. Yeah, conmigo a la buena y la mala pa' él. Yeah, yo soy como turista visita.